Today in this video we have covered Husqvarna Viking Emerald 118 Embroidery Machine Overview. The Husqvarna Viking Emerald 118 is a versatile sewing and embroidery machine, perfect for beginners and seasoned sewists alike. It offers a range of features to enhance creativity and ease of use while delivering reliable performance. Designed for both everyday sewing and decorative projects, the Emerald 118 stands out for its intuitive operation and consistent stitching quality. Key features of the Husqvarna Viking Emerald 118. Number 1, 18 built-in stitches. The Emerald 118 comes with 18 built-in stitch options, including utility, decorative, and stretch stitches, giving users plenty of variety for different sewing needs. Number 2, one-step buttonhole. Create professional-looking buttonholes quickly and easily with the one-step buttonhole feature, adding convenience and precision to garment making. Number 3, adjustable stitch length and width. Tailor each stitch to your project's specific needs by adjusting the stitch length and width for optimal results on various fabrics. Number 4, built-in needle threader. Threading the needle is a breeze with the built-in needle threader, which saves time and reduces frustration. Number 5, drop feed for free motion sewing. Enjoy free motion sewing capabilities for quilting or embroidery by easily dropping the feed dogs. Number 6, sturdy build and free arm. The machine's durable construction ensures consistent results. The free arm design makes sewing small circular areas such as sleeves and hems easy. Pricing. The Husqvarna Viking Emerald 118 typically costs around $300 to $400, making it a valuable option for users seeking a reliable, versatile sewing and embroidery machine at an accessible price point. If you want custom, professional quality embroidery designs, digitizings.com is the place to go. They provide embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services, allowing you to turn any logo or design idea into an embroidery file that stitches out beautifully on machines. Whether you need logo digitizing, 3D puff digitizing, or detailed custom designs, they offer fast turnaround and high-quality service.